అక్కడ బోర్డు మీద ఎట్లా చెప్పారో అట్లాగే గుర్తుంది.
Good evening, my dear friends. Dr. Sabha Prasad gave me the honor of speaking to you for a few minutes, but I do not know what to speak because I did not prepare myself for any public speaking here. He said, "Sir, you please come for some time and come here." I've been in the field of education for nearly 50 years. Primarily, our target is our student. If we are able to meet the requirement of the student, leaving all the other things, then I think we have served the purpose of our life. So, if we teach the student with absolute clarity, without any ambiguity in our minds, ఎక్కడ స్టూడెంట్కి అనుమానమో అక్కడ టీచర్కు అనుమానం ఉండకూడదు. If we can become such teachers, I am sure whether you are using the hybrid model which Dr. Sabha Prasad and Dr. Madhavi have been trying to propagate and introduce to the people and propagate, or the conventional method, the subject that we are teaching will reach the heart of the student, and once it reaches the heart, it remains there. Otherwise, you speak it, he notes it in his notebook, he sees it on the board, and he goes out and says, "Rajay Pedra sir," అనుకుంటారు. అట్లా కాకుండా సార్ ఏం చెప్పాడు అని if the boy can think about what you taught him, then the purpose I think is served. I was trying to do only my duty. He was my closest friend's brother. I knew him as a boy wearing a chari. Since then I knew him. Of course, his brother passed away last year. We were absolutely close friends. And I fail to do my duty if I don't request Professor C.R.E. Sarmagaru to speak a few words.
No, he already spoke, sir. He already spoke.
Already spoke?
He just went out.
So, I wish all of you total success in your efforts. Dr. Sabha Prasad, Dr. Madhavi, and all the participants that have come here. I wish you really very, very well. See, as an old man, I should only convey my greetings and best wishes to all of you. Thank you.